floor here with a lake view. Step inside. You can see that this is a walk-off. If you were connecting to the studio, it would be a 2-bedroom. The 1-bedrooms at Bay Lake have 2 bathrooms, which is great. Here is one of them. Walk in here to the living room area. There's a little dinette set. Full kitchen with a full refrigerator, fully stocked cabinets, dishes, anything you might need in there, toaster, coffee pot, stove, dishwasher, microwave. It's the island, there's a cutting board there, ice bucket. Super cool artwork of the dinette there. Here is big TV. Here in the couch, you can see there's a pull-out couch there, pull-out bed peeking out there. And the chair also converts to sleep 5. There's our view outside. Pop outside to the balcony. There's also a laundry room here. Washer, dryer, pack and play, iron, vacuum, should need it. Here is the master bedroom. Our TV over here. Drawers, and same balcony out there. Nice bed, and our welcome letter. Gorgeous bathtub. Very big bathroom in here. Bathtub, the toiletries there. And a shower in here. Very nice shower with some more toiletries in there. Rainbow shower head. And that is it. Our beautiful room at Bay Lake Tower.